How to create a menu in WordPress website. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add a menu in your WordPress website. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is simply open up your WordPress website dashboard because this is where we do all of these settings. Now, this is one of my test websites that I'm creating, and I'll show you how to add a menu. So you just have to go to appearance right here, which is the default option we get. And in appearance, you will find menus. Click on menu and it will open up the menu for your website that you're creating. Now, keep in mind that we can edit our menu anytime we like, and we can create a more than one menu as well. And it's just shown to us, so you can give it any name you like. So the menu name right now is About Us, but if you want to change the name, you could just go ahead and do that. Then we have all of the menu items given here. So we have our pages, first of all, where you will be able to find all of your recents and your history, what you have been doing. If you want to add something to your menu, you can just explore the item here. For example, post. So once you click on post, then you will be able to find all of your posts right here, and you can add them to your menu here. Similarly, we have donation forms, products, we have fields, custom links, and categories. So in custom links, I can go ahead and add any kind of URL to my menu right here for my website. Click on just add the URL and then click on add to menu, and it will be added. Then we have categories. Again, if I want to add any of the categories to my menu, I can just select it and then click on add to menu, and it will be added right here. You can see now this is what my menu looks like. I have category and I also have my privacy policy page. Similarly, if I want to go with product tags, makes, team, location, and WooCommerce endpoints, then I can just select the options and then click on add to menu. This way we can get our menu structure right here. This is the name. These are the different menu items I have added. Then these are some of these settings, such as display location, top primary menu. Then we have add pages, automatically add new top level pages to this menu. Perfect. And I can click on save menu, and our new menu will be created. Similarly, we can delete a menu from this option right here, but this is how you can create a menu on your WordPress website. So yeah, guys, I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to add a menu to your WordPress website. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.